Bumbo clock, man. Finally, let's make it. R.I.P. to a loved one. R.I.P. to a friend. R.I.P. to a relative. R.I.P. to me. Oh God, my friend, my general. My friend from start. When me hear you drop out, it feel like me drop my heart. Right now, in a fuck with dog, some reason we always get caught in it. Right now, a bloodbath when me walk, because me know said the magic stick I go spark. Tell them say you're my wild and dark. Yo, living body with the chalk on it. Everybody knows say me not gonna stop. Right now a dove cut, glamma than them killer, but now them have to rotting at the gun, because me know that it's the end for them. Right now me nah look no friend from them, pull up with me girl on a blood clot, yang. Be a shot dog, nah left no spank shell. Yo, a dove cut, yo, me no give a fuck dog. Tell them inna the net me knife play broke dog. Life sucks dog. Don't give a fuck who me have to kill, forget my fucking weird, because life don't got no fucking meaning. Everybody knows life is just another scene out of a movie. Yo, them bitches them bad and they be bougie. And these niggas they be motherfucking trifling, sneaking the motherfucking grass, they be snakes. Nigga, that's what kill them and that's what catch the cases. Nigga, that's why I'ma pull up, shoot them in the faces. Nigga, and I know they just wanna stab me in the back. Snitch on me, rat on me. Nigga, there be some tell, they just tell on me. So I just gotta kill them, you fuck them up with a fucking K, that's in my fucking hand. Nigga, what you wanna do? I'ma kill you. I'ma see you, I wouldn't wanna be you. Nigga, I'ma see you through my coat. Bust out your head, then me hang your blood clot body on a fucking rope and say, him this the fucking wrong man, this a fucking gunman, everything done man, cause him nah see one make fucking sunrise. Yo, when me fucking gun rise, it bust and fly between your fucking eyes. Brain fries like some blood clot fries. Everybody knows that me give him a one sweet surprise. Yo, killing sweet like a Nestle. Everybody knows that killing is like Betty syrup. No, me a talk about the milk. I can know say it is not fucking silk, but bullet are soaking on the skin like butter in a bread. Yo, me not gonna mutter my word.